Well, let's go and empty some stuff out of this cart because I gotta fix this. I gotta put some clothes away. Let's get rid of this. That's pretty well useless. I'm gonna have to start selling some stuff too. You know what? There's an empty bag there. I could put some clothes in it. I have to get rid of that suitcase. So, let's do this. I can't do this anymore. I can't live like this anymore. I can't live like this anymore. I need room. I can't live like this anymore. This is one thing I can't do. Okay, so let's put some clothes in here. Then I can throw that suitcase in there. Okay. Let's put that in my back pocket. This, help it. You know what? This whole suitcase will fit in there. I don't know. Let's see this. I don't know if this whole suitcase will fit in there. I got some fluffy socks here. Good for the winter. This is a lot of summer stuff. This is all my summer stuff. So let's see if I can close it. And I'll just throw it in there. The whole 9 yards. Heck with it. I need room. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this whole suitcase will fit in here. I hope so. I need room so I could fix that car. Okay. Well, like this. There we go. Yeah, she fits. Beautiful. Yeah, let's lock this up again. Now I got to start selling some stuff. I got a 24-foot ladder I want to get rid of. I want to start selling some stuff in this garage, this storage unit. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. That takes care of that. Okay. I gotta. Well, that gives me a little bit more room. Still got a pair of pants in there. That's fine. I gotta do laundry. Now that everything's unthawed. Alright. I gotta get rid of that. That 24-footer. I have to get rid of. I might get rid of that 4-footer featherlight and the 6-footer. Electrical wire I have to get rid of. I like to get rid of that T-Rex 500. Heli. I got a beautiful stair system. 60-gallon compressor stand up I have to get rid of also. And a snowblower. And a lawnmower. There's a lot of stuff I got to get rid of. But this is my world. This is my world right here. Everything I own is in here. It's too bad I have to get rid of all this stuff. Well, you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. Not much I can do about it. I even got this frozen. Hand wipes. They're frozen. But anyways, whatever. It is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. The cleaning's not going to help. I got any macaroni crab dinner in there. I got food in here that's freaking frozen solid. You know what? I'll leave that there. That doesn't bother me. I got a lot of those there. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, this is my life right here. You know what? There might be stuff in here I might be able to get rid of. I gotta close that. Let me see. Lord. You know what? I got stuff right here. You know what? Now that I have room, I can throw that in the trunk. Some more food. That won't take up room. It's a collapsible bag. But that won't take up room now. That was taking up a lot of room. I wasn't using it. It's all summer clothes. But I gotta get rid of stuff, man. Old 52-inch LED TV I have to bring to the recycler. But anyways, this is what I'm dealing with right here. Right here. Anyways, let me lock this up and get out of here. Oh, you know what? It's not Christmas anymore. I know what I can get rid of right here. Right here. Let me pull out the batteries though before it goes bad for next Christmas. Right here. Let me pull out these batteries. Right here. Before it goes bad. Because if not, okay, let me get rid of this here. Okay, there we go. That's it. That's it. That's all she wrote, man. That's it. That's all she wrote. Put my Christmas tree away for Christmas. I'll throw that. You know what? Put it right here. I was going to put that mat for my feet, but whatever. All right. Anyways, Happy New Year, everybody. Yeah, well, it's finally doing laundry today. I'm at the laundromat. Video was recorded inside, but too many people in there, and there's way too many people. All the machines are almost full. Gotta take one of the big ones for a little bit of laundry that I have. Anyways, I got the munchies. Breakfast was kind of, yeah, porridge or whatever you want to call it. Had some of that this morning. I'm still hungry. But, yeah, well, I'd rather be out in the car than in the laundromat. So they only have 2 chairs in there. And you can't sit on the tables, but they say no sitting. That's for, you know, of course, I understand. You know, it's made for folding, and it's not made to be holding a person's weight. But, yeah, it's the waiting game now. A couple hours. That's what it's like. Meow. Oh, yeah. Baby. Ooh. Yeah. The waiting game. Yeah. What kind of prize am I going to win? Hey, clean clothes. How's that? Huh. No. I'll see what I get. I can video record after. So I should watch my manners. Shouldn't be talking with my with food in my mouth. But yeah. Okay. I can see if I can bring you with you somewhere. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Not much to see in Ottawa. Really. If you've been here or from Ottawa, not much to see. You know, unless you know, like playing sports, hockey. I don't do that anymore. You know, skiing, don't do that anymore. Cross country skiing, don't do that anymore. Not as much. Lots of I don't do anymore. I don't even work anymore. Yeah. Life sucks, man, when you destroy your lower back, lower spine. Sucks. Yeah. That's life. That's a challenge. A challenge living in a car. But yeah, especially when you hit some negatives. Everything freezes on you. But whatever. Yeah, whatever. It is what it is. But okay. I'll see if I can bring you along. Oh boy. Yeah. Almost done. Almost done. Another 20 minutes. Well, she's done. Now I'm just going to go buy some food. Look at what I did with my spoons. Moved everything around. Spoons and sporks. I don't know. I'm done the laundry. Now I'm going to go buy a little bit of food. Okay, yeah, I guess for here. Yeah, I'm going to go buy some food. Just something that's not frozen. I'm getting tired of it having the same thing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go. Oh, better put my seatbelt on, man. Or get a freaking fine. Actually, I could go to Fresco and get something there, but last time I had something from there, it made me sick. So I'm going to go somewhere else. But yeah, what a day. Well, now I'm going to have dinner. Traditional coleslaw. Yeah, I know. We'll see with a fork, but you know what? Screw it. I'm going to eat it with a spoon. You know what? Nah, you know what? Better eat it with a fork. Better eat it with a fork. Yeah. Traditional coleslaw, man. That's what I'm going to have for dinner. That's what I'm going to have tonight. Yeah, the food is frozen. I'm going to have to bring it inside. See if I got unthawed. At least one can. We got canned food back there. Some stuff is frozen as like a rock. No. Anyways, that's how you do it. Well, that's how I survive out of a car. Yep. Yep. Man, was that laundromat so busy today. Wow. Talk about wild. It was a waiting game for a dryer, basically. You know, unreal. Now, next time I'll learn. Go during the week. Hopefully it's not as busy. At night, forget it. Too many people. At night also. During the days, I was there already once during the day, during the week. It's not that busy. No. Oh well. Live and learn. As the saying goes, live and learn. Yeah, but this is my life. Not very exciting, is it? Anyways, be kind, be gentle, and respect one another. Catch you on the flip side.